Introduction to smart alarms.
Smart alarms and sleep apps are designed to wake you up during your lightest sleep phase, helping you start the day feeling more refreshed. These alarms use your movement or sound patterns to identify the optimal moment to wake you within a set window. Let's explore how to set up and optimize smart alarms for better mornings.
Choosing a sleep app with smart alarms.
Many popular sleep apps like Sleep Cycle, Pillow, and Sleep as Android offer smart alarm features. Look for an app compatible with your device and prefer those that use proven algorithms and user-friendly interfaces. Download your chosen app from the official App Store and allow it to access any permissions it needs for sleep tracking.
Setting up your smart alarm.
Open the app and locate the Smart Alarm Setup. Set your desired wake-up time, then choose the length of the wake-up window, typically 10 to 30 minutes. This window gives the app flexibility to wake you at the ideal moment. Place your phone according to the app's instructions, such as on your mattress or nightstand.
Optimizing smart alarm settings.
To get the most from your smart alarm, review your app's settings. Adjust sensitivity based on your sleeping environment and habits. Many apps let you customize sounds, snooze options, and vibration intensity. Consider enabling features like sleep notes or integration with wearables for more accurate tracking and results.
Tips for consistent refreshed waking.
Maintain a regular sleep schedule and use your smart alarm consistently for best results. Make sure your device is charged and correctly positioned each night. Review your sleep data in the app to find patterns and make adjustments as needed. Over time, smart alarms can help you wake up feeling more alert and energized.